Got a little leak in my dashboard, and I already found it and was just about at fixing it and decided I'm behind on doing videos. I'll go on ahead and record what I'm doing here. And what I did was I took this top off. Now first I took this panel off and found the leak. I did that when I was waiting in line at work. I found the leak, but I wasn't able to reach in there to get at it to do anything with it. So I came home, I took this top off, took some screws out of the top of it right here, and there's one big one that goes through this defroster vent, and it goes down in here. And I took those out. They're Torx screws. There's one on the side here that goes right through this side panel into this, and so this comes off. And I already had this hose off. This hose was leaking right here at this. This is a little cylinder that moves the vents. There's several of these cylinders in here, but anyway, this one here was leaking right at this point. And it might not leak right now since I've disturbed it quite a bit. But I need to push this blue collar right here that my fingertip is on. Now I think I did a video on this already. I don't know if I repaired this leak once before or if I replaced the cylinder. I don't remember, because I have replaced cylinders on this. Anyway, I got to push that collar in, push it in towards the cylinder, and pull this hose out. And I can't do that with one hand, I don't think, so I might have to... yeah, I did. I got it out with one hand this time. I needed two hands a while ago, but I got it loose. So anyway, if we can get a close-up, see if we can get it in the sunlight there, and maybe I can focus in on it. You see where it's been kind of deformed there, where the locking ring inside that little collar was pressing on that. So all I'm going to do is clip that off and plug it back in. So it's a quick fix. All right, so yeah, I don't need to record doing that. I just clip this off with a wire cutter, push the thing back in there, twist it a couple times, pull on it, make sure it's in tight, and then start the motor up. There's no air in the truck right now because this thing did run the tanks dry overnight. Don't hear any air leaks. Started it up and built the air up. I didn't run it all the way to 120, but close enough. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.